Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Razer Kraken X Lite on PC. First, locate the 3.5mm audio jack on your headset and plug it directly into your computer's combined audio port. This port typically has a headset icon. Next, gently adjust the flexible microphone boom so it is near your mouth, about 2 to 3 centimeters away, for optimal voice pickup. Finally, open your PC's sound settings to verify the headset is detected as the primary audio device. Now, let's fine-tune your audio. Navigate to your PC's sound settings, usually found in the control panel or system settings. Under the Playback tab, right-click on the Razer Kraken X Lite and choose Set as Default Device. Do the same under the Recording tab for the microphone. This ensures all sound output and input go through your new headset, providing a seamless audio experience for gaming or calls. It's crucial to test your setup. Open a video or music player and confirm that sound is coming through your Razer Kraken X Lite. Then, use a simple voice recorder or a communication application like Discord to check your microphone's functionality. Speak clearly and listen for your playback. If you encounter any problems, a quick restart of your computer or updating your audio drivers can often resolve common connectivity or sound issues. To get the most out of your Razer Kraken X Lite, remember to use the convenient inline volume wheel for on-the-fly adjustments to your audio levels. For a truly personalized sound, explore your PC's built-in equalizer settings to boost bass or clarify treble according to your preferences. Also, regularly wipe down the ear cups with a soft cloth to maintain comfort and hygiene, ensuring a pleasant experience for many hours of use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.